Just replacing one of the seat springs on this Greenfield. This is a fast cut 32-inch deck, 2009 fast cut Greenfield, and one of the seat springs is broken in half. So to replace that's quite easy. I've obviously unscrewed it through the bolt. Bottom end is 13mm, and the bolt is the bolt 13. So both 13. So luckily this time they're both 13, because sometimes you find the bolt is bigger than the nut that goes on it, the head anyway. So we can just take him out. We can lift him out of there. I wish it's a bit tight being a screw, so we'll take the bolt out just to make it easier. Just got to put him back in here. There it was, lined up like that. Put the bolt back in. It's a good drop, wasn't it? And this one goes up. Let's say it's clean, so that'll be the way it went, like that. Just goes back in. There's the, let's take that up. That's what goes in. There's a plate there, it's for support. So we're just putting that, putting that back in. So we just put that back in the hole. Just put it back in and just screw our nut back on to secure it. So we're just securing that nut back in there. This end. So there we have it. She's back on. And the nut's back on. So we've got 2 even screws. I think it was starting to scrape. It was dropping down, obviously at that high on one side. There might have been a bit of scraping going on from the top of the clutch pulley up here. So it's getting the scraping noise. So hopefully that's fixed that. Okay, thanks, bye bye.